Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I don't know where my little mini light is, so if the lighting's a little bit off in this vlog, I apologize in advance. I didn't want that to stop my vlogging. So, as you can see, I have a ton of packages behind me of brand deals and stuff like that. So I thought I would open them on camera with you guys. I'm gonna move you guys back just a little bit. Okay. So I have my little baby scissors because I can't find my other scissors, but I'm gonna start with these small ones. A couple things I kind of want to get done today is maybe start painting some of my salt dough stuff, which I will show you later, hopefully, because I have like Christmas presents I'm making that need to be done, because literally as of filming this it's like the 22nd, so I literally have a couple of days, and today's almost over, so like a day to finish everything and get everything wrapped and all of that. So I kind of want to start doing that because that takes a while, because I have to paint it and then I have to gloss it. It takes several hours, but yeah, I also need to edit because, like I've been saying how many vlogs in a row, I am behind. Are we surprised? No, we're not. I'm also wanting to do laundry. I was gonna clean my room, but honestly I have so much going on, it's gonna have to wait until after Christmas, but I do need to do laundry. Anyways, I think this first package is from Luisa. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Look how cute this packaging is. So cute. Also, my cat is on the bed. This is for a YouTube video so I can do the 2-minute integration. So it says, "Hi Shayla, we are super excited to be partnering with you. Please scan the QR code for a quick access to important information about our partnership and check your email inbox." First of all, they come in these really cute little pouches, which is very cute. There's 3 of them, so I have to do a 2-minute integration, I think for 2 different videos. I need to double check that. And then one is for TikTok. I'm going to show you guys what the jewelry looks like. Okay, like literally look how fancy this is. It has like buttons and everything. It's so cute. So the first piece is, okay, I'm a little bit confused because they're like not the same. Are they supposed to be like this? Okay, I need to look at the pieces that I chose, but these are the earrings. We got a moon and a star. Are they supposed to match? I don't know. They're so cute though. That is so cute. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. What is going on? Bro, I literally can't get it back in. Oh wait, there we go. I think I got it back in. I don't want to break anything because I still need to show this in the YouTube video. Come on, bruh. Come on. Okay, now I'm bending it. Okay. It's not going back in there. We're just gonna pretend that I put it back in there and we'll pretend for the YouTube video. Next piece. Oh, this is so cute. I was really hoping they'd send this one. So they made me choose a couple different options just to make sure I would get something in case it was sold out. So cute. Right now I'm wearing this necklace from Shisho and I've been wearing it every day, but I'm excited because I feel like I'm gonna wear this all the time. Let's see, does this one want to go back into the pouch? Okay, that one was nice and easy. And then lastly, oh, that's so cute. Lastly, we have this cute little butterfly necklace. I will leave the link to the website in the description box down below if you want to check them out. If I have a discount code, I'll put it on the screen or in the description box. You're just going ham back there, aren't you? But yes, I'm going to give them a more proper introduction in a different video, but you guys kind of got a sneak peek. Check them out for sure. And thank you to Luisa for sending me this jewelry. I love it. We're going to be moving on to this package. I need to make sure I don't cut anything, and I also don't know what this is. Some of the brands want an unboxing video. I have to be very careful because I want to still be able to do the unboxing reel, you know, and not destroy the packet. Yep, I had a feeling this is what it was. Okay, I think this is from 𝍊𝋼𝑋𝑍𝑊 or something like that. This is brown skirt that's supposed to go with this shirt I got that you'll see in just a minute, but this is super cute and looks really cozy. Keep an eye on my Instagram if you want to see me wear this kind of stuff. So the material looks honestly really nice. Feels really good. I'll just give you like a little sneak peek of what it looks like. This is what the skirt looks like. The color on the camera is like not exactly what it looks like in person. I think it's just the lighting, but it's like this, I mean, it does have like an orangey brown tint to it. It's like a burnt brown, but it's really cute. Love that. This is also from them. This is the shirt that's supposed to go with it. I'm a little bit concerned looking now that they don't look like the same exact brown color, but I'm not gonna fully undo it just because I'm gonna keep it nice and folded. But this is the shirt. This is supposed to be the skirt that goes with it. They do not match, so that is going to be fun to figure out. It is what it is. Maybe I'll do 2 separate pictures. I don't know. Oh, damn it. When I was at Walmart the other day, I should have gotten those stockings I was looking at, because I need stockings for this outfit because I don't know where I'm gonna take it indoor, and if I'm taking it outside it's freezing. Like literally right now there's an advisory, so I don't know when that's gonna get done. But next we have this package. I think I might know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm always scared I'm gonna like cut whatever's inside. Yeah, okay, this is what I thought. They got nice packaging for it. So it is this Lumi hair removal, like laser hair removal handset. I don't want to open it up yet just because I think I'm supposed to do an unboxing, so I don't want to open it all the way, but this is what it kind of looks like. I'm very excited about this. Their logo is so cute. Really? You gotta show your freaking butthole on... Okay. This next one is from Bag Smart. This one I think I might have to do an unboxing as well, so I don't know if I want to take it out of the packaging yet. But basically, this is a pink backpack, but what's special about it is that it's good for travel. It has a lot of pockets, and the best part is that it is chargeable. So it has its own little like mini portable charger, so you can charge your phone when you're at the airport with your backpack, which I think that's great. So I'm really excited. I think I'm also working with them with their weakener bag in the future. We'll see, but I'm excited about that. Okay, lastly, we have Prozis. I love Prozis. Ah! Ooh, this box got a little bit damaged. First item are these little slides. I think I'm also supposed to do an unboxing for this, but since it's in a box, I can easily put it back. So here are the slides. The color's not really coming out very good on camera, but I'm excited about these because I like to have like around the house kind of shoes, and slides are just comfortable. I really like how they have their little logo on the bottom and it has grippiness so you don't slip. So those are cute. We love that. It came with this, which looks like a keychain, I guess. Oh, I think this is a keychain. Not really sure. Next is this set. I'm not going to unfold it for obvious reasons, but basically a matching activewear set, which is really nice to be honest because I've been wanting to get into going to the gym and stuff like that. So I wanted to have a matching set, which is really cute. Honestly, I can't wait to try it on. It looks really comfortable, and their activewear is of really good quality, so that's good. So next I have this banana walnut oatmeal with protein. I don't think this is actually the oatmeal itself. I think you're supposed to add this into your oatmeal. This is what it looks like. Then we have two of these chocolate almond, and then we have two of these zero chocolate candy coated milk chocolate covered peanuts. So chocolate covered peanuts, but they're like different colors, so that's cute. So the last month that I worked with them, I did a coconut peanut butter. Honestly, kind of good. I like it. But this time I decided to try the walnut peanut butter. Not walnut. Pecan. I don't know how you're supposed to say it, but yeah, pecan butter. So the last thing that I got is this protein granola for my smoothies slash oatmeal. I'm excited to try these. These are supposed to have forest fruits in them. Very excited. That is all for right now for opening PR slash brand deals. My battery is about to die, so I need to change the battery, and then I think my next priority is to do laundry and I need to edit really badly. I really want to watch Gilmore Girls, but we have priorities. At least we're supposed to. Oh, I want to show you something really quick. I love Takis. I like the regular ones. I like the blue ones. I did not know that the guacamole ones existed. So good. I think it has jalapeno in it too, and cilantro. So good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Eva, if you're watching this, she's probably jealous. She can't have avocado. Wait, is it even real avocado? Well, I see a lot of chemicals that aren't good for you. I'm either like stupid and dumb, or I literally don't see anything in here that says avocado. How are you gonna make guacamole Takis and not put avocado? Whoops. Like, what the hell? So good. Also, Grinch pants. I just want to play with my cat all day and watch Gilmore Girls. He doesn't care. No, you don't care, do you, Kitty? So, I think I've decided I'm gonna go check on my laundry. I'm gonna make some lunch or something. I need to edit. I don't want to, but I need to. So, alright. I made a bagel with green onion chive, cream cheese, and everything bagel seasoning. I think that's all I have right now for an update. I'm gonna eat, edit, and stuff like that. Okay, I'll see you later. So I have a problem. It is currently 8:09 p.m. and I'm freaking tired. That normally doesn't happen because I stay up a lot, but I need to get some editing done, and I'm literally fighting myself about it because I don't want to do it, but I need to. I really just want to like chill and watch my show. I'm beating myself up because I don't think I've done enough productive things today. I made coffee. Now 8:10 p.m. Was that a good idea? No, it wasn't. But your girl needs to stay up and do something. So in here, I have the Chamberlain cup, but it's the JV coffee concentrate with sweet pecan creamer and a little tiny bit of caramel creamer. So good. JV, please send me more coffee. I love your coffee. I also made a salad. It is the Asian style green cabbage, green leaf, lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, green onions, sliced almonds, wonton strips, and sesame ginger dressing. And let me tell you, it is freaking delicious. Like, I've been craving salad the past couple of weeks. It's just all I want. I think it's just because I'm lacking nutrients. Oh, hi, Bubs. My camera's about to die. Top of the morning, baby. Hi. Cheers, booze. Simba, why are you like staring? Are you admiring your human? Well, I'm admiring you, baby. He's such a cutie. We need to edit for at least 30 minutes, so I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna get it done, and then I'm probably going to enjoy the rest of my night. All right, let's edit. Hello, I am back. I just edited for over an hour, so round of applause for that. But I finally started getting into the editing mood and hyper-focusing, and then my battery on my iPad decided to basically die. Now I am basically charging my iPad. I don't think I'll get back into the groove. Maybe I will later. I don't really know, but I'm going to reward myself. I'm going to chill. My bed is messed up again. Typical me. This lighting situation is literally killing me. Why? I really need to buy another ring light. Anyways, again, I'm so sorry for this lighting. Like I said earlier, I have no idea where my little mini ring light is, so this is gonna have to do for now. But I wanted to show you progress on some of my salt dough ornaments and some like gifts that I'm making for Christmas for some people. So I made some salt dough ornaments. This one is my dog Isla. She's a poodle. This is her handprint, and this is for my mom. I still need to put like the ribbon on it or whatever. Also, please excuse the mess in the background. Okay, this light is like really bugging me. This one is my dog Mila. This side is green, this side is red. And then I have my other dog Mika. She wouldn't let me do it that day. Ended up doing hers a different day, but they're not painted yet. This one is my cat Simba. This one is my cat Kia. This is a salt dough jewelry dish. That is what it looks like. You could put your keys on here, you could put a candle, you could put your little rings, stuff like that. I'm excited about that. Then I have this little star ornament that I made. I have this little cross because this is a gift to my grandma because I know God means a lot to her, so I made that for her. A little star one. Obviously a Christmas tree. This is another ornament for my best friend. A little heart ornament. This one is for my sister, well, one of my sisters. So some of those are also I'm gonna send to my sisters in Florida if I can get them done on time. Their presents are already going to be late. So I kind of want to start painting some of those because literally today is the 22nd and it's almost over and Christmas is like in a day. So I can't find my red and green ribbon, but I found my black ribbon, so we're gonna have to go with black. I realized that putting green on this side was kind of a mistake because you can barely see what I wrote. I have finished putting on the ribbon. Those are finished. They came out really cute. So I've finished painting ornaments. I haven't gotten to the jewelry tray, but I'm gonna go spray a gloss on this and start letting them dry. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm, as well as clicking that red button down below. Subscribe, y'all. Join the family. Also, click that notification bell down below because you never know when I'm gonna post. It's kind of a surprise, so if you want to stay updated, click that notification bell down below. If you guys have any other video suggestions, please let me know down below in the comments because I read all my comments. I reply to all my comments, so I will definitely see it and take it into consideration. If you want to stay up to date with other things, check out my socials like Instagram and TikTok. They are on the screen as well as in the description box down below, like always. Check out my podcast if you want. It'll be linked down below. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching this video. It means so much to me, and if you've made it to this part of the video, comment a snowflake emoji if you've made it this far into the video so that I know you've watched the video all the way through. And if you do that, I will comment one back to you. But yeah, I love you guys, and so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!